At Floral Design Institute, in basic floral design, we teach the vertical, but there's so much more. Once you have a strong vertical, create a pair, add a bridge. I'll show you how. The materials, a ceramic vessel with midnight foam. I cut it down so that it was tucked way low. Pre-soaked it with fresh water and flower food. The materials then for flowers, hydrangea, veronica, and a variety of different roses, several colors to choose from to add a little bit of contrast in whites. The hydrangea tucked very low so that it's close to the water source, removing the leaves because we want to focus on the white, then giving it a cut, dipping it in alum so it drinks well, and then centering it and placing it down all the way to the base. This becomes a nice base to cover my mechanics, then coming back with the veronica, looking at the different stems. Some curl in, some are a little straighter, pulling them out. And starting with a nice straight one, coming up through the center, nice and tall, and then coming back with the curvature and letting them curve inward, drawing attention, going through the hydrangea, but keeping everything vertical so it draws the eye upward, repeating, and continue till you have all the lines that you desire. Tucking in a carnation or 2 or 3, however many it takes, to help conceal mechanics. Also brightens that base, fills in with the hydrangea. Tucking them down low. And pulling through towards the center. Then coming back with roses. The white of polo, absolutely exquisite, opens out beautifully. Maybe a little taller. And then the creamy white of Vendella balances it, getting that little softer ivory hue. Repeating with each of those, and then coming back with a delicate spray rose. Letting it come a little taller up above. And then repeat with each of them until it's full and lush. As a final touch, adding just a few of the white cloud garden rose. They're oh so fragrant, so letting them come out over the top so it enhances and add fragrance, makes the whole thing so special. For a light touch, just a tiny bit of baby's breath, cloud it over to soften and add texture. The vertical arrangement makes a statement, but duplicate it. Make a pair, and it's an even stronger statement. Then, so much static movement, add a little excitement with some dynamic line, adding some horizontal, coming in from the side, just to add a touch of flair, and then out the opposite side. And then for a final bit of excitement, a single Phalaenopsis orchid. Cut, place it in to one, and let it drape and bridge to the other. The recipe, I started with that one stem of hydrangea and then 8 of the veronica. I used 10 roses, some polo, some Vendella, and some white cloud garden rose, 5 carnations, 3 of the white spray rose, and then 1 Italian ruscus and 1 baby's breath. Now you would repeat that for the second, and to create the bridge, 1 Phalaenopsis orchid. I know the rules, never use 2, but a pair can be such a delight. You'll find more creative inspiration at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. What flowers are you going to choose to create a pair and bridge together? So many fun, creative things for you to do. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.